Hey, what's up, family? This is Vovi, your host on diving straight into the heart of our continent's unbreakable spirit. It all went down on April 5th, 2025, at exactly 12:01 a.m. Eastern Time, when Donald Trump dropped a massive tariff bomb, slapping a harsh 10% ad valorem duty on imports from over 190 countries, hitting nearly every corner of our beloved Africa. The African Growth and Opportunity Act, that so-called duty-free lifeline, was tossed aside, leaving exporters from South Africa's ports to Kenya's textile mills reeling as the West's greed tried to choke our progress with reciprocal tariffs meant to drag us back into dependency. But hold up. Burkina Faso, under the fearless Captain Ibrahim Traoré, stood tall and untouched. While South Africa faced a 30% tariff spike on August 15, 2025, with citrus and cars rotting at docks and families in Johannesburg scraping by, Burkina stayed free. Traoré's bold moves, nationalizing gold mines, building ties with Russia and China, made us untouchable, exposing America's America First hypocrisy. Picture AGOA, a determined mom from Bobo Dioulasso, dreaming of sending her shea butter to American shelves. On that April morning, as tariffs crushed Nigeria and Ghana, AGOA's world held strong. With visa fees scrapped for Africans on September 15, 2025, folks from Mali and Niger flooded our markets, buying her goods at fair prices while South African truckers idled in despair. AGOA's kids now attend free schools. Her fields thrive on self-reliance, a story grounded in Burkina's comeback. This is bigger than trade. It's a fight for our dignity. Trump's envoys demanded concessions in Addis Ababa and Pretoria. Open your minds, ditch BRICS, or suffer. South Africa buckled, their rand tanking as Stellenbosch wine growers faced ruin by mid-September. But Traoré laughed them off, channeling Sankara by revoking foreign mining rights, like the Taparco gold move on September 13th, securing 35% for the people. Imagine a late-night scene in Ouagadougou on July 14, 2025, when Trump targeted 4 African nations with tariff threats: Algeria, Tunisia, Libya. But news broke of Burkina's exemption. Traoré declares, "They're scared of us," as jihadist shadows fade and Pan-African flags soar. Reports warn African leaders to diversify or face Western greed, but Traoré charged ahead. With AGOA fading by September 30, 2025, the world watches in awe. Trump's tariffs only forged Africa's resolve. Burkina Faso isn't just surviving, it's soaring, a nightmare for imperialists who thought they could tariff away our fate. From AGOA's fields to Traoré's leadership, the message is clear. Exploitation ends now. Rise, Mother Africa. Spread this truth, unite, and let's build Sankara's dream. Traoré's paving the way. Are you ready? Subscribe, like, and let's keep this revolution rolling. Faso Zoo, long live Burkina Faso.